Paano mag-register sa Philhealth Online? Hi guys, I'm Rica G and this is RicaGChannel. Welcome back for another vlog. And before I start, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below for you to be notified whenever I upload new videos. If you're new on this channel talks about lifestyle, tutorial, reviews, and tips. So guys, for today's video, I'm gonna show you step by step on how you can register to Philhealth Online. So watch this video. Okay, let's start. Punta tayo sa philhealth.gov.ph. Click natin yung online services. And then itong orange na membership register/login. Then ipapasok natin dito yung 12-digit na Philhealth number. Make sure naka-ready na yung ID nyo. And then, password nyo dun sa Google account. Then, enter yung nasa black box na 6-digit na number. Then, click yung login. So, mapupunta tayo dito sa Members Portal Account Creation. So, nakalagay dyan, fields with asterisks are required. Papasok natin yung basic info like Philhealth ID, again. Tapos yung last name, first name, date of birth, and then yung gender or sex, kung male or female, and then yung email address, and mobile number. So, dito, take note of the password requirements, yung naka-highlight ng blue. Then, encode nyo na yung preferred nyo na password. And confirm yung password. Again, take note dun sa required na mga password. And then, i-enter ulit itong 6-digit na number na nasa black box na to. So, after nun, kailangan mong i-access yung email mo. Kasi nakalagay dito, activate your account. So, after that, makaka-receive na tayo ng email from Philhealth. Then, may link dun sa email. I-click mo para ma-access mo na yung account mo. So, automatic ka nang mapupunta dito. I-key-in mo ulit yung Philhealth number na 12 digits. And yung password mo nung nag-register ka. Then, log in. Okay, eto, na-access ko na yung account. So, ma-access nyo na dito yung member information. Yung premium contribution. Lalagay nyo lang yung year. Makikita nyo na lahat. Yung user profile. And pwede ka na rin mag-print ng MDR o Members Data Record. So, log out ko na yung account. So guys, that's it. Just follow the step-by-step tutorial and log in your own Philhealth account. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. Bye!